The no-code UI builder is as easy as it sounds to use. This no-code UI builder makes it easy for contact center administrators to customize agent workflows without requiring any programming skills. Because of its no-code nature, users can quickly learn and bring new step-by-step guide use cases to life. In this video, we're going to cover some important parts of the no-code UI builder. With this tool, you can drag and drop UI components like buttons and text boxes onto a canvas from the left panel. You can arrange the layout of the components on the canvas by moving them around, and also arrange the layout of the canvas itself by adjusting columns within sections or containers. You can edit properties of each component in the right panel to customize labels, fields, and theming. And with the canvas in front of you, you can preview your interface design as you build. When creating a new view resource using the UI builder, you have the option to choose an existing template or start with a blank canvas. This allows you to build upon pre-existing designs and components rather than starting from scratch each time. After you apply a template, the UI builder makes it easy to customize templates as needed for specific use cases. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using the no-code UI builder in Amazon Connect. If you've already placed UI components onto the canvas and want to use an existing template, these components will be overwritten and the template will take its place. These changes will only be finalized once you save the view resource. So if you use a template in error, you can leave the page and come back to your latest saved view resource version. Organize your UI components neatly on the canvas for a clean interface design. You can group related components together using containers or sections, but always keep the agent experience in mind when customizing your views. Thoroughly test each view resource you create before including it in contact flows. Preview your designs as you build and make any adjustments as necessary. Consider reusing templates and view resources across different contact flows for consistency. Customize templates as needed, but use dynamic fields to allow reusability. Security and access control is important. Give appropriate user permissions to create view resources between agents and teams. And refer to our official guides documentation for UI component properties to configure them appropriately for your use case. Don't forget to save your work as you go. You can always access the latest saved and latest published version when building. Once you've built your view, you're ready to publish it and access it as a reusable view resource from within your contact flow.